Okay, 65. I really challenge you just to pause the video and try and solve this problem on your own, because they actually give you the answer and how they set the problem up. Okay, but it may be tough to see that. Okay, so we're going to go the long way, and then you're going to see that this could have been solved a much easier way. But we'll go the long way just to make sure you know you understand the problem. So cosine of 60, what is the cosine of 60? Well, that's 1/2. According to my sheet, okay, that I gave you at the beginning of the year, that's 1/2. And we're going to turn this from standard, I, to component. So the sine of 60 would be square root of 3 over 2. Okay? And then I have a magnitude out front, or a value out front of 3. So what we're supposed to find is the magnitude and direction angle of this vector. So in order to do that, you first want to figure out how long this vector is. Well, if I look up at that unit circle to my left, to your right in class, I know that 1/2 square root of 3 over 2 is on the unit circle. It's right about here. Okay? So this vector goes through this point, which would make it 1 unit long. That would be this part here. This part is the vector that goes right to that. And if I multiply that by 3, it would get to about here. Right? Okay, but would this angle change? Nope. And what angle was this? Well, we use 60 degrees to find this. We use 60 degrees to find this. So this angle must be 60 degrees. And how long is this red vector after so this is the black vector, is here. And then we're going to multiply that black vector by 3 to get it up to this red vector. So how long would this red vector be after we multiply a vector that's 1 unit long by 3? So it's going to now have a magnitude of 3. So again, if you just look at the problem, you are given the answer. You are given that you have 3 times a vector, cosine 60, sine 60. Well, that's just giving you the angle. Okay, so it's a little bit of a complicated way to give the problem, but that's how it actually gave you the answer in the problem. So the magnitude is 3, the angle is 60.